Hello, my name is Charlie Park, and I'm here to do a video critique of about digestive system presentation video by Connor Camp and Erica Burgess recorded reviews of 2072. Before going with the content, we need to know what the digestive system is. According to the National Institute of Diabetes and Kidney Diseases, the digestive system is made up of gastrointestinal tract, shortened as GI, and the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. The role is to break nutrients into small parts for our body to absorb and use it as energy, growth, and cell repair. This video states that peristalsis is a series of muscle contractions that occur in the digestive tract and also seen in some organs that connect the kidneys to the leather. I agree with this statement. According to the U.S. National Library of Medicine, peristalsis is a series of wave-like muscle contractions that moves from food to different processing stations in the digestive tract. Two opinions are sharing the same perspective as stating that it is the muscle that occurs in the digestive tract. The video also states that it moves food through the digestive system and individual muscle contractions move the food down the tract itself. According to the U.S. National Library of Medicine, the motions carry the food to the stomach as it continues to the small intestine and concludes in the large intestine. I have to say that the argument of the video shares the same perspective with the governmental website that it moves food through the digestive system. This video states that GERD is a chronic digestive disease that occurs when stomach acid or bile flows back into our food pipe as fungus. According to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, GERD happens when our stomach contents come back up into our esophagus. Furthermore, stomach acid that touch the lining of our esophagus can cause heartburn, called acid indigestion. Two statements share the same perspective as GERD occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus. This video states that the signs and symptoms can include acid reflux and heartburn. According to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, regular heartburn is a major symptom, following with bad breath, pain in our chest, and vomiting. Two statements state that a major symptom of GERD is the heartburn. This video states that constipation refers to bowel movements that are infrequent or hard to pass, which is a common cause of painful defecation. According to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, there are fewer than 3 bowel movements a week and caused by slow movement of stool through our colon and delayed emptying of the gland from pelvic floor disorders, colon surgery, and functional gastrointestinal disorders. I have to say two statements share the same perspective as it refers to bowel movements that happens through a week and cause a painful defecation. This video states that obesity is having too much body fat and affected by diet and exercise. I agree with this statement, and adding to it, according to the Science Reference Service, obesity is essentially an inflammatory disease, and excess calories affect the fat cells in such a way that they mount an immune response. Also, it is not affected by diet or exercise. It is also affected by genetic factors, body type, and medical conditions. This video states that the consequences of obesity on the digestive system are abdominal pains, GERD reflux disease, and constipation. According to the U.S. National Library of Medicine, it can increase free fatty acids and alters adipositokinase. Concluding the video, this information about digestive system disease leads listeners to have health benefits. The listeners will be able to understand, gaining knowledge about the digestive system diseases, and to be prepared for any situation. As the person is prepared, it will reduce medical expenses as they might know the symptom in a faster time, expected to pay way much less medical expenses than a situation of not watching this video. However, negative implications also exist. Even though it is stating the diseases, the information is too vague. It didn't explain side effects and full processing. Also, it doesn't suggest any solutions with the disease, which not really being helpful when someone who thinks that they have this kind of disease not being able to know how to deal with the problem.